Hello, in this video I would like to try IK foam 1.5 with Meguiars Gold Cast shampoo. Prepared 750 ml water and I will add 15 ml of shampoo. I found this dilution is perfect for me, so with other dilution it's up to you. Stir it so it will mix all together with the water. I pump it 15 times as the manual said. Let's try the second one, 15 times pump. This is an example of IK foam 1.5 with Meguiars Gold Cast shampoo. As you can see, this foam is quite well. It clings on the panel very well, so you have more dwell time